And this may very well be what the Father is doing with the body of Messiah today. He's seen how some of us have been fruitful and some of us unfruitful. He's seen how some have remained in the vine and become Yeshua's disciples, and he's seen how many others have not. Too many branches have been covered by sin, worldliness, and fruitless debate, unable to get enough pure light from God's word. We've squandered our resources in order to nourish barren branches, and we've produced a little fruit that lately hasn't tasted all that good. Our collective growth slowed, we became unhealthy, wild, dense, and twisted. So could it be that now he's trimming us all the way back? He's removing dead, fruitless sticks. He's cleaning and pruning the few fruitful branches that remain and performing a long-needed reshaping. We're now nearly just a small, beige clump of sticks sitting on the ground, appearing to be dead to all except the expert, refining eye of our Father. So to whatever extent attacks of the enemy have brought on this unhealthy condition, or to whatever degree we've done this to ourselves by not remaining in the true vine, as difficult as it may be to accept, our shrinking in numbers, influence, and quality of disciples may in fact also be the result of God pruning and lopping off believers. And whether these are true believers who are falling away or so-called false converts who were never really true believers in the first place is irrelevant. The point is that if God is pruning us, then that means that he's removing those who've been swelling the ranks and been a detriment to and drain on the body. If God is pruning us, then he's amputating the mass and weight of fruitless branches who've been sucking the life out of the body of Messiah and holding it back from fulfilling its purpose on the earth. So maybe our misshapen, disintegrated condition has been devised for good, that we're in the process of remediation by the farmer's severe and surgical hand, so that out of our reduced, lean, aggressively trimmed back state, the body of Messiah can begin to sprout and grow and bear fruit once again, to do more than just believe and remain in or die on the vine, to do more than just go to congregation and sing and pray and read the Bible and be spiritual, but to share the good news, to make disciples, to build up the body, to champion the faith, to walk in the absolute truth of God's word, to raise up the next generation, to commit ourselves, whether by life or by death, to the cause of Messiah, and to bring Yeshua's salvation to the ends of the earth.